What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a good one today though. I finally got some car parts, some cool car parts that you guys are gonna like. Alright, let's get it. Let me show you this shit. Check this out. We got this box. Bam! You guys know what these are? Remember I told you guys I was gonna get these? These are the fucking grills for my car. Alright, so if you guys want these, I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. So you can just go there and find these. And you guys can order them yourself. But check them out. What do you think? I think they go on like that. Wait, no, they go on like that. Yeah. Dude, I think these look awesome. So I only paid like 40 bucks for these too, so I think I really got my money's worth. I was gonna wrap my old ones or I was gonna paint them, but then I decided to just buy these because I thought they were kind of cheap, you know? They're only 40 bucks, so fuck it. What do you think? I think they look fucking dope. I can't wait to put them on my car. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these in now. They look so sick. It's super windy out here, so I'm sorry if you guys hear a lot of wind noise. I'm gonna try my best though. As you can see, these are my old ones. Now, there's like 3 clips in here. It seems to be like there's 5. You could see one right there, and there's another one over here, and there's 3 on top. I'm gonna try to figure out if I could get it out without taking off the bumper. I was told that I can, so I'm pretty sure I can. But I'm gonna have to take these 4 Torx out right here so that I can move this little bumper a little bit and I can stick my hand in there. Hopefully that gives me enough space. And I'm gonna take this ugly ass high quality plate thing off. I don't like that. Alright, so I got this one out. As you can see, I'm really only trying to talk when there's no wind. Hopefully you guys can hear me fine. But I broke this little bracket at the bottom because what happened was I was able to get these top 3 out properly by pulling this back like this, and like the tabs are literally like right here, so I was just able to push them down with my fingers and with a screwdriver, so it wasn't that hard. But when it came to the bottom ones, I wasn't able to reach them, so I had the thing kind of halfway out like this. Like I was saying, I kind of had it halfway out like this, so I had to just like yank it, and it broke the bottom too. Well, just this one. To take that one out quite perfectly. It was really easy because I had a tiny little screwdriver like this one. As you can see, like this is a normal size screwdriver, this is a little one, and with this one I was able to put it like through here, and with the tab down here I just used like my 2 fingers to pull it. Like how do I explain this to you guys? So it was basically standing up, and what I did was I pushed this through just so that it could be like that. And then with my finger, I kind of reached in there and I just pulled up the screwdriver, and it popped the tab up. And just with one being up, I was able to just pull it out without breaking the other one, like I did on that side. But now I'm gonna put these in. They just go right in, just like this. Damn, that shit looks sick. Okay, let me turn off my car so you guys can hear me. Alright, check that shit out though. You see what I really like about these is that they're double, and those are just single. And these are like the ones that are on the M2 right now. So I'm in love. And I took this ugly ass cover from the dealership. Man guys, it's a little hard to make this video today. I wanted to show you the whole process of me pulling it out and everything, but I just couldn't because there's so much wind, and the whole video is just gonna be like really bad. So I already finished it. I changed out the old grill and I put the new ones in like you saw. I'm gonna show you again right now how it looks. I think it looks bad as hell, but now I think I need some lights. Let me show you what I mean. You see how it turned out? It turns out sick. I took off this ugly thing that was right here because it just made it look kind of ugly. See, this is what I mean, like this orange on the light makes it look like kind of, it kills the front end, so I gotta get new lights. As you saw, the lights, the orange side markers on it, it just makes it look a little weird. It kind of kills the front end, well, at least to me. And the lights that I want are like $500. I'm trying to hopefully find them, like somebody selling theirs instead of buying new ones, but they're hard to find. They're called Depot version 2. They're sick. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is the chrome delete around the windows because it's pretty cheap, and I'm just gonna wrap them. But yeah guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe so you guys can see me post more and see what else I do to this car. Also, I've been wanting to do a video to show my mom how fast this car is, but there's certain reasons why I can't do that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.